Exploring theories of alien life is one of the most intriguing aspects of astrobiology, cosmology, and philosophy. There are 7 compelling theories about the essence and nature of extraterrestrial life in the universe. The rare Earth hypothesis core idea. Complex life is extremely rare in the universe due to a perfect combination of environmental and astrophysical conditions on Earth. Points. Requires a stable star, protective gas giant like Jupiter, a large plate tectonics, etc. Microbial life may be common. Intelligent life could be almost unique to Earth. 2. The Fermi Paradox core idea. If the universe is so vast and potentially with life, why haven't we found any possible solutions? Civilizations self-destruct. They are avoiding us. Zoo hypothesis. Or too early or too late to overlap with us. 3. The zoo hypothesis core idea. Alien civilizations are aware of us, but avoid contact. Observing Earth and nature preserve. Implication. There's a galactic directive not to interfere with less developed civilizations, similar to Star Trek's Prime Directive. Or Panspermia theory core idea. Life didn't start on Earth but was seeded here elsewhere, via comets, asteroids, or even in technology. Versions. Natural panspermia. Life spread intentionally. Directed panspermia. Life was only spread by an advantation. 5. The shadow biosphere hypothesis core. Alien or non-standard life forms might exist on Earth, but are undetected because they're made of different biochemistry, e.g. arsenic-based life. Implication. We may be coexisting with alien life and not know it. 6. Simulation. Hypothesis. Life in the universe, including aliens, might be simulated within a vast digital by a higher intelligence. To alien life. Advanced beings made outside the simulation. Aliens we search for might be simulated or omitted. The Great Filter Core. There is a critical stage or series of in evolution that is incredibly hard to see behind us or ahead. If behind us, we may be rare survivors. If ahead, civilizations may reach a point of return or self-destruction, which we too might. Would you like a visual summary or deeper dive any one of these theories? Great. Now that we've outlined 7 major theories about alien life, let's explore the implications, challenges, and possible evidence related to each. This helps us understand not just what the theories propose, but how they shape our search for extraterrestrial intelligence, CT, and influence future exploration. Deeper dive into the 7 theories. 1. Rare Earth hypothesis. Implications. Makes Earth exceptionally unique. Suggests focusing resources on protecting and understanding our planet. Challenges. Based largely on Earth-centric data. May underestimate adaptability of life. Evidence. So far, no confirmed Earth-like exoplanets with complex ecosystems. 2. The Fermi Paradox. Implications. Drives theories of silence. Why we don't hear or see aliens. Forces rethinking of expectations for communication or signals. Challenges. Assumes extraterrestrials would behave or develop like us. Evidence. Radio silence despite decades of SETI efforts. 3. Zoo hypothesis implications. Assumes aliens are technologically superior and ethically cautious. Suggests humanity may not be ready for contact. Challenges unprovable without direct evidence. Relies on speculative behavior of alien beings. Evidence. None. Entirely theoretical, though used to explain lack of contact. 4. Panspermia. Theory implications. Life may be cosmic, not planetary. Suggests life could exist in extreme conditions beyond Earth. Challenges. Still doesn't explain origin of life, just how it spreads. Evidence. Organic molecules found on comets and Mars meteorites. Tardigrades and microbes surviving in space experiments. 5. Shadow biosphere. Hypothesis implications. We may have overlooked alien life right under our noses. Calls for new ways of detecting non-standard biology. Challenges. Difficult to design tools to detect unknown biochemistry. Mainstream science considers it speculative. Evidence. None conclusive, but ongoing research into weird life in extreme Earth environments. 6. Simulation hypothesis. Implications reality, including all life, may be artificial. Alien life might be programmed or limited in scope. Challenges: philosophical rather than empirical, difficult or impossible to falsify. Evidence: no physical evidence, but used in theoretical physics and philosophy debates. 7. The Great Filter. Implications: humanity may have already passed the hardest step, or the worst is yet to come. Influences existential risk thinking. Challenges: we don't know what the filter is or where it lies in the timeline. Evidence: the silence of the cosmos might be evidence itself. What does this mean for the search for alien life? Theory focuses: search on suggested approach, rare Earth analogs, exoplanet studies, Fermi Paradox, civilizations, broader detection methods, zoo hypothesis, ethical behavior, patience, indirect clues, Panspermia, microbial life, interplanetary sample return, shadow biosphere, Earth itself, rethink biochemistry, simulation, reality's nature, theoretical exploration, great filter survival patterns, long-term risk analysis. Would you like to move on to future missions, experimental ideas, or how pop culture has interpreted these theories? Excellent. Let's now look at what's next. How scientists and space agencies are investigating these theories, what missions are underway, and how speculative ideas inspire both real science and popular culture. Future missions and scientific efforts exploring alien life. 1. James Webb Space Telescope, EJWST. Goal: analyze exoplanet atmospheres for biosignatures, like oxygen, methane, or water vapor. Relevance: supports theories like rare Earth, Panspermia, and addresses the Fermi Paradox by identifying potentially habitable worlds. 2. Europa Clipper and JUICE, ESA. Target: Jupiter's moon, Europa, and Ganymede, Charon Callisto. Goal: investigate subsurface oceans that may harbor microbial life. Theories touched: Panspermia, shadow biosphere, non-Earth-like biochemistry, and microbial alien life in extreme environments. 3. Mars sample return missions. Goal: bring Mars soil samples back to Earth to search for fossilized or extant microbial life. Theories touched: Panspermia, possible hints for the Great Filter, if Mars once had life that died out. 4. Breakthrough. Listen and SETI. What? A massive radio telescope project scanning the sky for signals. Goal: detect intelligent extraterrestrial communication. Theories touched: directly addresses Fermi Paradox and tests zoo hypothesis by actively listening for leaks or beacons. 5. Synthetic biology and artificial life. Goal: create life in the lab or simulate alien biochemistries. Relevance: supports shadow biosphere, explores the boundaries of life as we don't know it. 6. Biochemical diversity. Studies on Earth. Focus searching in extreme environments, deep oceans, acidic lakes, salt caves, for unfamiliar life. Theories touched: shadow biosphere expands our concept of where and how life can exist. Pop culture's take on alien life. Theories popular media often reflects and amplifies these scientific ideas, sometimes exploring their implications in vivid and speculative ways. Theory pop culture, example. Theme: rare Earth interstellar, 2014, uniqueness of Earth, fragile life, Fermi Paradox contact, 1997. Listening in the silence of space, zoo hypothesis. The Truman Show, metaphorically. Watched without knowing Panspermia. Prometheus, 2012. Life seeded by ancient aliens. Shadow biosphere, annihilation, 2018. Unknown forms of biology, simulation hypothesis. The Matrix, 1999. Reality as an illusion. Great Filter, Don't Look Up, 2021. Humanity's self-destruction. Final thoughts. Where does this leave us? We are at a crossroads where technology is catching up to theory. Speculation inspires exploration. Absence of evidence is not evidence of absence. Each theory of alien life opens doors to philosophical questions, scientific frontiers, and potential existential revelations. Whether aliens are microbes under Martian soil, civilizations cloaked by distance or choice, or simply imaginary, Our quest to find them is as much about understanding ourselves as it is about discovering them. Would you like a downloadable infographic summarizing all this? Or would you like to explore the philosophical or ethical questions raised by potential alien contact?